Once upon a time, I was all alone. How you like me now? Do it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm starting with priming my face and I'm using my MAC Fix Plus. I'm also going to use my Benefit Professional. I'm just going to be applying a little bit of this primer because it makes my face really soft and I love that. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do first. And then for foundation, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Infallible. You guys know I've been loving this foundation. It's my favorite. For concealer, I'm going to be using this one by Maybelline and it's called the H Rewind Concealer. I've been using this for years now and I still really love it. So I do recommend it to you guys and it's also really affordable. For bronzer, I'm going to be using this one by Benefit and this one is actually the one that barely came out. This one is the caramel bronzer and I've been obsessed with it. I love it. For blush, I'm going to be using this one by Milani and this one is called Luminoso. I love using this blush because it gives me a really nice glow and it's really pretty and it's perfect for spring and summer. So get your hands on it because it's an amazing blush and it's also really affordable. I'm also going to be setting my face makeup before I do my eyeshadow. So yeah, I'm just using my MAC Fix Plus. For my eyeshadow today, I'm going to use my Morphe 3502 palette. Oh my god, I haven't used this palette in so long and it actually feels great using it again. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be using for today's look. And the first color I'm starting off with is an orange eyeshadow. And I did start it with a very light hand and I just started building up the color. I'm going to be using my Morphe M441 brush to blend this out. So the next color I'm going to be applying is going to be this red eyeshadow, and I'm placing this on the crease. I am using a smaller brush to apply this color, and I'm also trying to keep it pretty low and not bring it all the way up to the crease. So for the yellow eyeliner, I'm going to be using this one by NYX, and I believe it's called Vivid Halo. I'm not sure yet, but I'll list it down below. But this part was so hard to do. I was like, this better come out right, because honestly, I was shaking because I was so nervous. I didn't want to mess anything up, but I was shocked because I actually did really good. Like, it came out perfect. But yeah, now I'm moving on to eyelashes. And I'm going to be using these by Araceli Beauty, and they're called Chewy. Moving on, I'm going to be applying this lip liner by Kylie, and it's in the color Dolce K. And for lipstick, I'm going to be using my Frankie Rose Cosmetics liquid lipstick, and it's called Macaroon. Alright, so I am all finished with this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys are loving the colorful looks. I've been so obsessed with bright colors, so stay tuned for more colorful tutorials. But make sure you give this video a thumbs up before you leave, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!